Hey everyone, if you are a bride to be and getting your makeup kit ready, so this video is just for you. Whether you're preparing for your traditional ceremonies or modern celebrations, these must-have makeup products are perfect for every bridal moment. All the products I'm going to recommend today are from a very popular and trusted brand, Inside Cosmetics. The best part, all of their products are skincare infused and from their professional range. Also, I will show you how I created this look using only Inside products so we can see exactly how they perform. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Let's start with the primer. I'm using Inside 3-in-1 primer. You might have already seen a lot of beauty creator using this one, and for good reason. It's super long lasting, fills in your pores beautifully and gives you a smooth and flawless canvas. Then we have this HD Conceal Correct Contour palette. This compact 6 shade palette is your all-in-one fix for concealing, correcting and contouring like a pro. It has all the shades including the orange to color correct dark spots and the deeper toned for that snatched contour. The texture is so comfortable and creamy, even you don't need any tool or brush to blend this out. And look how beautifully it covers all the pigmentation. Next, I'm using Pro Full Coverage Soft Focus Foundation. It gives you full coverage, blends really well and feels super lightweight on the skin. Perfect for brides who want a flawless base that still looks natural. Mixing Inside Radiance Glow with the foundation for that extra glow. Well, this product is a multitasker. You can use it with or without foundation. You can mix it with your liquid blush or as a liquid highlighter. Now we have Pro Ultimate Cover Concealer. Now this is a must have concealer. It gives you full coverage yet very lightweight on the skin, blends like a dream and gives you that beautiful highlighted under eye. To set everything in place, I'm using this pressed baking powder 3-in-1 palette. It has 3 shades. You can use the white and yellow for baking or set your base, and the brown shade is for contour. So you don't need to buy 3 different products. This one palette has everything you need. सिर्फ वेडिंग के दिन ही नहीं, उसके बाद भी सबकी आइज सिर्फ ब्राइड पर होती है. From her outfit to her jewelry, but most importantly her makeup has to be flawless. So next product we have Face Glow Highlighter Palette. Now for that bridal glow, this palette is all you need because it has 3 beautiful highlighting shades. It gives such a pretty glow on your face. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm using Pro Eyeshadow Palette. It has 6 amazing matte shades and 3 shimmers. The colors are super pigmented and no fallouts. Be it intense, natural or smoky eye look, you can create endless look with this single palette. What I like most about this palette is the shades are curated to complement each other, so blending and layering become easy. Whether it's your mehendi, sangeet or your big day, this palette slays every look. For that bold defined look, I'm tightlining my eyes with this amazing Powerproof Gel Kajal. This is waterproof and super creamy. To finish the eye look, I'm applying Inside Long Lasting Mascara for those long fluttery lashes. And now we have 2 amazing brow products. One is this Pro Eyebrow Palette, which has 4 different shades, so you can choose or mix match and make your own shade. Also, it comes with an applicator brush and spoolie, making it super easy to use on the go. Next, we have this amazing brow tattoo to set your brows. I'm using the shade Brown. This is waterproof and smudge proof. So for lips, I have some really beautiful options which goes on all Indian skin tones. First is this Inside Mousse lipstick in the shade 9 Red Velvet. हम brides की बात करें और red lipstick ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Look at the color. Very comfortable texture, mousse matte finish. Another shade from this range is shade number 5 Mauve Soffle. It's a very beautiful mauve toned brown shade. Looks very beautiful on medium to fair skin tone. Then we have Inside Prime Matte lipstick in the shade 01 Irish Coffee. I love the fact that these lipsticks are infused with hyaluronic acid, so it will keep your lips hydrated all day. Last we have the shade 11 Aqua Velva, the one which I'm wearing. I paired this up with Inside Color Rich lip liner in the shade 01 Cardinal Rose. This lip liner is super pigmented, as you can see. Also, I think after red, every bride's favorite shade is brown, and this is a perfect brown shade for my brides to be. The texture is matte yet very comfortable on the lips. And now the last and the most important step is to fix your makeup. Using Inside Makeup Fixer, this will lock your makeup and make it long lasting. So here's the final look. And now we have some hair accessories and other stuff which I personally think all newlywed brides should have in their vanity. First is this artificial gajra. Instantly adds that soft traditional touch, bringing out the grace of every hairstyle, whether it's a bun or a braid. Next are these artificial rose hairpins in 6 different shades, perfect for mehndi, sangeet or after wedding ceremonies. You can style these with any sort of traditional outfits. And lastly, these super useful dupatta clips with an attached safety pin. After this, you won't need any extra juda pin or safety pins to secure your dupatta. It makes the process quick, easy and totally hassle-free. So that's all for all my must-have product recommendations for all my bride-to-be. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful. If you did, please tell us in the comments and don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe Inside Cosmetics. I'll see you very soon in another video.